How to install Waze on Tesla Model Y. I'm going to tell you how to install Waze on Tesla Model Y. Tesla doesn't natively support third party apps like Waze, but there's a simple workaround. First, make sure your Tesla software is up to date, then open the built in Tesla browser. In the URL, type in waze.com or use a trusted Waze mirror like teslawaze.azurewebsites.net. This will load the Waze live maps directly in your browser. Once it's open, you can interact with the map and see real-time traffic updates, reports, and hazards, just like the app. Keep in mind, it won't give you turn-by-turn voice directions the same way it would on a phone, but it works well as a live road report companion. For better results, connect your phone hotspot to your car's Wi-Fi to keep Waze running smoothly.